Ever wish you could clone your WhatsApp chats from one phone to another without losing a single message? Or maybe you're juggling two phones and thinking, can I actually merge my old chats with my new ones without any mess? Well, stay tuned, we've got something awesome lined up for you. Hey everyone! If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on these super handy tips. So here's what's happening. You've got the same WhatsApp account on two phones, right? Your old phone has all the backup data, and now you want it merged with the current chats on your new phone. Sounds tricky? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Most people go for the Move to iOS app. But here's the catch. You'll have to erase your new phone completely to use it. That's not ideal. So, what's the better move? iPhone transfer? A smooth, safe, and platform-flexible solution that lets you merge chats without wiping anything. Android to iPhone? It works like a charm. Let's break it down. Step 1. Download and install iPhone transfer from the Play Store. Step 2. Connect your Android and iPhone using a USB-C to Lightning cable. When prompted, choose iPhone transfer as the USB device. And now, let's get this rolling. You'll see two options. Transfer data replaces existing chats. Merge data keeps everything and adds the new. We're choosing merged data. Next, tap Android to iOS and follow the prompts. Shortly, the backup folder will appear. Tap it and hit Continue Transfer. Don't forget to tap Trust on your iPhone when prompted. Now that the connection's ready, let the merge begin. Your Android phone will now create a fresh WhatsApp backup. To unlock the content, you'll just need to verify your phone number. Then, pick the data you want to merge. I'm selecting everything to keep it simple. Now, log into WhatsApp on your iPhone. Confirm everything back on the Android, and just like that, the magic is happening. Your old chats are flowing smoothly into your iPhone, merging like they were always there. And that's it. Your WhatsApp chats merged, organized, and saved without losing a thing. Pretty neat, right? If this video helped you out, do us a solid. Hit the like button. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the New Tech World Order for more awesome tech hacks. Or tap the next video and keep learning something new today. Catch you in the next one, take care.